What's up, everybody? Welcome to another honest review. Today, we are going to talk about this Inphic IN10P gaming mouse. This is the Inphic IN10P, a featherweight gaming mouse that quietly brings heavyweight specs with tri-mode connectivity, pro-grade sensors, and an 8K polling rate receiver. It's crafted not for hype, but for raw, deliberate performance under pressure. If you end up liking this video, then please don't forget to click on the like button and please subscribe to this channel. Support honest content. Oh yeah, I'm already in love with this Inphic IN10P cause it delivers. And considering the price, it's one of the best value for money gaming mouse available on the market. Let's check how and why this is better than the others.
Make it break through the ceiling. Can't you see I'm willing to let it go? Yeah, nah. I let it move and control me. Gone with the stars, don't even try to get me back for the
Right from the start, IN10P means business. It's built around the flagship PAW3395 sensor, offering up to 26,000 dpi, 650 IPS tracking, and 50G acceleration. Precision is paired with Infic's own KP950B gaming chip, delivering low latency response, intelligent power management, and rock-solid anti-interference for competitive play. Whether we are micro-adjusting in a sniper duel or full sweeping in an RTS rush, tracking remains fluid and exact. The mouse switches are rated for 100 million clicks, tactile, crisp, and made to last through years of grind. This isn't overkill, it's consistency. It's the confidence that every click lands, every movement counts, and nothing slips through the cracks. Under the shell, the IN10P strikes a rare balance, 60 grams of structural clarity. It feels light in motion but planted under pressure. The compact chassis fits claw and fingertip grips with ease while eliminating flex and rattle. Despite the low weight, it houses a 400 mAh battery, enough for days of action on a single charge. It's a build that speaks to endurance without excess. Charging is safe and stable thanks to integrated protection circuitry. It never gets too warm, never skips a beat, even deep into late night sessions. Whether it's a tournament grind or casual fragging, this mouse fades into the hand, letting the focus stay on the fight. Durable, intentional, built to compete. A mouse is as flexible as its signal, and IN10P goes everywhere. It supports wired, Bluetooth 5.0, and 2.4 GHz wireless, with seamless switching and zero fuss. The included 8K receiver unlocks a polling rate up to 8000 Hz, elite tier responsiveness for high refresh gaming, from dorm desk to LAN party. Latency stays low and stable. With a 10-meter range and advanced interference filtering, it's reliable even in busy wireless environments. Whether docked at a gaming rig or paired with a laptop on the go, transitions are instant. Every connection is sharp, fast, and always ready for the next match. Okay, underneath all that power, there's freedom to tailor. The IN10P supports full driver customization. From DPI stages to macro bindings, every input can be adjusted, including side buttons and profile switching. Lighting effects like the RGB breathing can be turned up or completely off. The software is clean, fast loading, and doesn't require logins or cloud syncs. Built-in DC-DC adjustable power control keeps polling rates stable, so performance never drops even at 8K. It's more than just setup, it's calibration. This is where style meets function, where the look and feel becomes an extension of the player. whatever the game. The mouse adapts with purpose. The Inphic IN10P doesn't shout, it performs. Light in hand, packed with features, and tuned for the competitive edge. It earns its place. No shortcuts, no gimmicks. Just a serious gaming tool that's ready to prove itself. Okay, I've left a link in the description box. Go ahead, check this Inphic IN10P, my favorite gaming mouse. But before you go, one request. If you have enjoyed this video, then please don't forget to click on the like button and please subscribe to this channel. Support honest content.
Make it break.